Have you ever paused to consider the marvel that is your heart, tirelessly pumping life through your body every single second of your life? This incredible organ, nestled within your chest, is more than just a biological metronome. It's the engine room of your body, a powerhouse that works round the clock every day without a break. Consider this. Your heart, about the size of two hands clasped together, is responsible for circulating blood throughout your entire body. It ensures that oxygen and vital nutrients reach each and every one of the trillions of cells that make you, well, you. Whether you're running a marathon or simply sleeping, your heart is there, beating away, conducting the symphony that is your circulatory system. It's an orchestra leader, a lifeline, a constant companion playing the rhythm of life. A marvel of nature's engineering, the heart's ceaseless rhythm is the soundtrack to our existence. Ever pondered how exactly your heart accomplishes this crucial task? This intricate journey begins in the heart, a muscular organ divided into four main chambers. These chambers include the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle. Picture this. The journey starts when deoxygenated blood from your body flows into the right atrium. This chamber, acting much like a welcoming foyer, collects the incoming blood. When the right atrium is full, it contracts, pushing the blood through a one-way door known as the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle, akin to an eager bellhop, takes the blood and propels it with a forceful contraction towards the lungs via the pulmonary artery. The purpose? To enrich the blood with life-giving oxygen. Meanwhile, back at the heart, the left atrium is patiently waiting. It receives the now oxygen-rich blood returning from the lungs through the pulmonary veins. When the left atrium fills up, it contracts, pushing the blood through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle, the powerhouse of the heart, has the most muscle. It's the final stop within the heart before the blood embarks on its voyage throughout the body. Once filled, the left ventricle contracts, forcefully pushing the oxygenated blood through the aortic valve and into the aorta, the body's main highway. This oxygen-rich blood then travels through the aorta to all parts of your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients where needed. After it has done its job, the now deoxygenated blood makes its way back to the heart, and the cycle begins anew. Throughout this process, the valves in your heart play a vital role. They act as traffic cops, ensuring the blood flows in the correct direction and preventing any backflow. In essence, your heart is a masterful pump, continuously circulating blood throughout your body. The heart, then, is not just a biological structure, but a marvel of engineering and adaptation. It's a tireless worker, pumping blood throughout our bodies every single second of every day. From the oxygen-rich blood leaving the left atrium, journeying through the aorta to the farthest corners of our bodies, to the oxygen-depleted blood returning via the vena cava to be replenished once more in the right atrium. Each step is a testament to nature's design. Each heartbeat, each contraction and relaxation is a symphony of coordinated events, vital for our survival. It's a process of renewal, of life-giving sustenance, and of a ceaseless cycle that keeps us going. It's easy to take for granted, but each beat underscores the heart's critical role in maintaining our health and vitality. So the next time you feel your heart beating in your chest, give a thought to the intricate process that's keeping you alive. Isn't it fascinating how this fist-sized powerhouse supports us from our first breath to our last? Such is the marvel of our heart, our lifelong companion. It's a testament to endurance, resilience, and unyielding service. From the moment it begins to beat in the womb, it works tirelessly day and night without pause or rest. The heart's longevity is nothing short of extraordinary. Just imagine, it beats approximately 100,000 times a day, pumping thousands of gallons of blood to every part of your body, yet it never tires. But like any hard-working machine, the heart needs proper care and maintenance to function optimally. This includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and routine checkups. These simple measures can significantly enhance the heart's health and longevity, ensuring it can continue its vital work. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. Take care of it and it will take care of you.